We've seen how principal component analysis, PCA, works and where it's applied, but like every tool in the data scientist toolbox, it comes with its own strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and yes, even threats. Let's break it down and make sense of what PCA can and can't do. First, let's talk about its strengths. PCA is like the Swiss Army knife of dimensionality reduction: versatile, efficient, and widely applicable. One of its greatest strengths is its ability to simplify high-dimensional data into a format that's easy to visualize. Think about those data sets with hundreds or even thousands of variables. Without PCA, trying to interpret that data would feel like trying to read a novel in a language you don't understand. PCA transforms this complexity into a handful of dimensions that reveal the underlying patterns and relationships. It's why PCA is so popular for exploratory data analysis. It gives you a clear starting point, showing you where the meaningful variance lies. Another strength? Enhance model performance. By reducing the noise and redundancy in your data, PCA streamlines the input for machine learning models. Imagine training a model on raw, unfiltered data full of irrelevant variables. It would be like trying to train a dog with 100 different commands all at once, confusing and ineffective. PCA removes the distractions, leaving only the most important features. This leads to faster training times, better predictive accuracy, and overall a more robust model. But let's not sugarcoat it. PCA has weaknesses too. One of the biggest challenges is the potential loss of information. While PCA aims to retain the most significant variance in the data, there's always a trade-off. If the principal components don't capture the full structure of the data, you might lose subtle but meaningful details. Imagine distilling a rich, complex story into a one-paragraph summary. It's efficient, but some of the nuance inevitably gets lost. PCA is also a bit of a black box. Once the data is transformed, the original features lose their interpretability. Principal components are combinations of the original variables, but they don't have the same intuitive meaning. For example, if you're analyzing customer behavior, PCA might show you that component 1 explains 40% of the variance, but it won't tell you exactly what that means in real-world terms. This lack of transparency can make it harder to explain the results to stakeholders. And then there's the issue of overfitting. While PCA reduces dimensions, it's not a magic bullet. If the dataset is small, or if the reduced dimensions don't generalize well to unseen data, your model could end up overfitting. This is especially true when PCA is used without careful consideration of the problem at hand. Now, let's look at the opportunities. PCA is perfect for exploratory data analysis. It helps you uncover hidden patterns, reduce noise, and visualize relationships in ways that would otherwise be impossible. It's also a fantastic pre-processing step. Think of PCA as the cleanup crew before the main event. It prepares the data, removes redundancies, and ensures that only the most relevant features make it to the final analysis. But with opportunity comes threats. PCA assumes that the data is linear and that the variance in the data represents its most important features. If your data has nonlinear relationships, PCA might miss the mark. And don't forget, PCA is highly sensitive to scaling. If your data isn't properly standardized, the components it identifies may not reflect the true structure of your data. Garbage in, garbage out, as they say. So, what does this mean for you? PCA is an incredible tool for simplifying data and improving model performance, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's best used when your data is linear, your goal is dimensionality reduction, and you're okay with sacrificing a bit of interpretability for the sake of efficiency. When used wisely, PCA can unlock the insights hidden within your data, but like any tool, it's only as good as the hands that wield it.